Holding foul. Oy, teka, may technical yata. Si referee Kulanag, para nakita ko kanina, was going to go for an offensive foul. Pero ito naman si referee Herrera, yung pangatlong referee, may ibang sinesenyas. Teka, ayun, may sinasabi si referee Herrera dun sa, ayan si referee Cañazares, sumabot ng blocking foul. Kaya hold
technical foul on Barangay Ginebra coach Juan Wichico.
Si Wichico natawagan ng technical foul for protesting that call. The blocking foul will stick. That's
ito,
the
tingnan
call.
natin.
Ito,
Kasi may konting hawi rito eh. Tingnan nyo ha. Ayun. Ayun.
And then the push-off.
Unang tumawag sa referee Cañazares ng foul. Pagkatapos nakita natin, actually, lumumuestra sa referee Kulanag ng offensive, pero hindi niya tinuloy. Tapos, minarinig ko, nakita si referee Herrera, technical on coach John Wichico. This is the technical face-off.
Alam mo, 5-star, parang Michael Jordan move yan, ha? Yung ginawa ni Michael Jordan to get off that shot in the 1998 NBA Finals. Game 6, Chicago versus Utah. Last second shot ni Michael Jordan pushing off slightly against Brian Russell for the winning jumper.
Pero ito, labanan ng Pure Goods sa Ginebra. Ito pa rin. Gusto ng mga Pilipino. Jun Simon. Hindi pa rin tapos ito. 29 puntos na po ginagawa ni Peter Jun Simon. Radiri inside. Ay na sinasabi ko, may halong gigil na si Radiri.
You gotta know when to pass the ball.
Ito si Peter Jun Simon.
Ito, this is a test of the composure of Pure Goods, huh? Whether they can hold on to this lead.
Roger Yap against Jack Chia. Ronald Tumid flying high. At sa likod niya, tatawagan ng foul si Peter Jun Simon. Naku, pag nagtagpo yung dalawang yan, Ronald Tumid at Peter Jun Simon, sigurado maglalagablab ang labanan. Alright, meron tayo mga tatawagin. Meron po tayo 5 minutes and 44 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. 8-point lead para sa Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants over Barangay Ginebra. Mabalik po tayo galing sa Araneta Coliseum. Ronald Tumid, walang pakialam. And Tumid
now matches his career high with 28.
Boy, Richard Yee gets it over to Peter Jun Simon. Simon against Tumid. Ito yung sinasabi natin magandang matchup eh. Ito. Henry Simon gets away. No. Rebound. Tumid. Taps it to Salvacion. Ito si Salvacion. Pumasok na pala ulit. Jack Chia has it. Binigay kay Rod Neely. Rod Neely. Lamang kay Richard Yee. Mr. Gigil eh.
Oo, hindi
na pumasa, Brad.
Tsaka hindi na pumapasok yung mga tira niya.
Oo. Ang gigil eh. 4:47. Peter Jun Simon looking around. Chandler wants the ball, but Rod Neely is right on him. Ito si Simon against Tumid. Sumaksak sa loob. Lumayap. Wala. Rebound. Salvacion. Binigay kay Jack Chia. Go to Neely. Ano kaya gagawin ito? Yung pumasa. Kay Jack Chia. Nalabas kay Ronald Tumid. Neely wants the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Sunday Salvacion. Wala ayun. Si Jack Chia. Libre! And again, Ginebra cuts the lead down to 4.
At very patient play.
Oo.
Barangay
Akala ko,
Ginebra.
titira na kagad si Rodney.
Exactly. That time, he became patient.
Oo.
And he looked for the open man. They rotated the ball. They found Jack Chia.
Samantala, Martin Chandler.
Chandler very quiet sa
yeah.
quarter na ito with only 2 points out of his 27.
Kanina, doon sa second at saka third quarters, umuusok ito eh.
But both imports actually have been very quiet sa quarter na ito because of their one-on-one defense against each other.
Shot clock at 14 seconds.
Hindi na masyado nagdo-double team dito on the imports because it's import versus import. Plus, a lot of locals are stepping up. At very wary na yung opposing coaches to leave any man open.
Martin Chandler. Roger Yap is open. Pure. Big basket by Roger Yap.
And Chandler with the assist. There was that double, and he found the open man.
Rod Neely. Nilabas si Ronald Tubid. Sumipaw! Sipaw! May foul pa!
Oh, looks like an offensive foul.
foul. Oh, nako.
Because when he took that shot, he extended his foot. They will call the foul. Oh, basket is good.
Counted.
Technical foul for extending his foot after the shot. But the basket will count. Ito yung assist pass galing kay Neely. Ito yung three-pointer. Oh, I don't know about that, huh? They said he extended his foot to cause the technical foul.
Ewan ko, hindi ko...
Oo, bahagya lang yun. But he now has 31 points. That's a new career high for Ronald Tubid.
May partida nga eh. Merong sugat sa kilay, merong injury sa balikat. 31 puntos ang ginawa ni Ronald Tubid. And more importantly, he gets Barangay Ginebra back in the game with 3 minutes and 21 seconds remaining. 4 na puntos ang labang ng Pure Foods. Yung 3 points ni Tubid. O, teka muna, hindi na karira yun.
Hindi na nga karina yun. So they will nullify that because they will say that he extended his foot.
Offensive foul na tinawag.
Yes, they will say that he extended his foot as he took the shot. And the proper call, if you will make that call at all,
Again,
it's an offensive foul. Ito, makita natin. Was there really an extension of the foot? Well, there was an extension of the foot, yes, and that caused Roger Yap to fall. Ayun ang tinawag ng referee.
Okay, offensive foul, tapos may technical foul pa for second motion.
Okay.
Ayun, dalawa. Double trouble pa na siya.
And worse, not triple trouble because nabawi yung kanyang 3-point shot. Kanyang masakit yun.
At saka yung kanyang career high na binawi. Teka muna, mamaya na yung career high mo kung may pag-asa ka pa.
So yung offensive foul because he extended his foot and because that foot was considered the second motion, make technical foul pa rin.
So may technical free throw, syempre.
Yes.
And James Yap will take it.
So steady at the line. And you talk about Nonoy Simon's 29 points. What about James Yap's 27? Now to be 28.
Ayan, 28 na nga as he converts easily on the free throw and gives Pure Foods the 8-point lead. Eh, kanina, dapat 4 na lang yun, di ba? Kung counted yung kay Tubid. Pero ngayon...
Yung partner, ha?
Oo.
That's a back-breaking call.
Talaga.
Very pivotal yung tawag na yun.
Roger Yap. Laban kay Sunday Salvacion at medyo nagkapulyahan doon off the pick. The call.
Well, the important thing here for Barangay Ginebra is that they did not give a call. Okay, that was a pivotal call. Natanggal yung, nabawi yung kanilang 3-point shot.
Ito pa, isa. Pang-lima na yan ni Ronald Tubid. 5th foul on Ronald Tubid. Richard Yee. Binigay to Roger Yap. Chandler coming out against Neely. Roger Yap is wide open, top of the key. Wala. Sunday Salvacion up high for the rebound. Binigay kay Rod Neely. Neely, humihit. Neely, binigay kay Jack Chia. Back to Neely. Signaling the play. The pick by Sunday Salvacion and the setup for Ronald Tubid. Medyo alahoy na tira yun. Neely for the offensive board. He goes up, he's blocked. Pero meron foul. 2:39 remaining. Pure Foods in the lead by 8. 108 to 100. Sa ating mga higala diha sa Sugbo, labi na sa mga bola-bola diha. Imeng, daghang kayo mong gisuon, mga 34 tingali na sila mga bola-bola diha sa Martinez. So, guess bye-bye po na. Torneo to restore ka. Kaya po ka siyempre, bayaw ang tamanggon. Rod Neely ato nga.
30 points now and counting para kay Nick.
At our score, 108-102. 6-point lead para sa Pure Foods. Nasa kanila ang bola. James Yap has been playing blended basketball.
Oh, yes.
You could say that again.
And watch him now score again. That matchup against Jack Chia, he has been able to exploit.
Sunday Salvacion.